Welcome back to the channel, fellers. Today's video is for those who are moving to Hot Springs Village, Arkansas in 2023. Stay tuned for the great info here. Get all at the end. If you're looking into 2023 and the possibility of building a new home, perhaps you would like to check this area of Hot Springs Village in Arkansas. Moving to Hot Springs Village in 2023? Hot Springs Village is a vibrant community located in the heart of Arkansas that boasts a wide range of amenities for residents to enjoy. This residential development is home to 12 stunning lakes, 9 challenging golf courses, 15 professional-grade tennis courts, over 30 miles of trails for outdoor enthusiasts, and many other recreational activities for people of all ages. Whether you're looking for a new place to call home or a vacation property, this lot for sale in Hot Springs Village offers a rare opportunity to be part of a dynamic community that values outdoor living and a healthy lifestyle. The largest gated community in the U.S. features a dozen lakes, world-renowned golf courses, outdoor activities, sports, and more. So, let me help you find your land spot for a new house in this amazing community. We're going to start here with some great updates for you to look into it. So, it is located between historic Hot Springs and Little Rock, Arkansas, known as the Natural State. Arkansas is home to the Ouachita Mountains, and its lower cost of living compared to many areas of the U.S. is something that many people will appreciate. This piece of land has been sold under the market value, and we are also offering seller finance, which makes it even more affordable if you don't have the total cash to pay for it now. Below, I am going to show you how you're going to get the installment offer. Stick with me here and click the link below the video to get the complete description. Thank you so much to watch the video, and please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for future videos. Click the link.